Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Mouse and Me Christmas Classic Bundle. All of our classic bundles include a collection kit, solids pack, ephemera, and a 6x6 paper pad. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling card sheets, this Christmas collection brings playful nostalgia and whimsical holiday magic to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking Christmas adventures, family traditions, or all the special moments that make the season magical, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel comforting, familiar, and full of seasonal charm. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. Our coordinating solids packs are designed to perfectly match the color and design of the pattern papers. The patterns and elements in this paper pad have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. With 34 pieces of ephemera, just imagine the layouts you could create.